Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. Let's start. Here's the question. Evaluate square root of quantity 3 minus 2 square root of 3 quantity squared plus the square root of quantity of 3 plus 2 square root of 3 quantity squared. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video and let's see if you got the correct answer. Maybe your solution looks like this. You cancel out first the square root and the squared because definitely square root and squared cancel each other. We can also do this on the second term. And what we have is 3 minus 2 square root of 3 plus 3 plus 2 square root of 3. And 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3 cancel out because it is a negative and a positive. Therefore, we get an answer of 6. And yay, we're done. But 6 is incorrect. 6 is not the answer. This 6 is incorrect. The question is, why? What's wrong in our solution? Where's the mistake? Why 6 is incorrect? Now, here's the main reason. Our first step is correct. Definitely, square root and squared cancel each other. Now, our second step in the previous solution is definitely wrong. Now, the question is why? Now, let's recall this property, that the square root of x squared is equal to the absolute value of x. Let's say, for example, x equals negative 4. Therefore, the square root of negative 4 squared is simply the absolute value of negative 4, or positive 4. So the square root of negative 4 squared is simply positive 4. Therefore, our second step must be the absolute value of 3 minus 2 square root of 3 plus the absolute value of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Now we know that this absolute value will give us a positive result because absolute value measures the distance of this number to 0. Since it measures the distance, therefore it cannot be negative. Now here's the problem. 2 square root of 3 is approximately 3.46. Therefore, 3 minus 2 square root of 3 is a negative number. It's definitely a negative number. Therefore, to make it positive, we can do 2 square root of 3 minus 3. This is definitely a positive number. Then bring down 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Because we have no problem in this number, 3 plus 2 square root of 3, because this is definitely a positive number. Therefore, the next step must be 2 square root of 3 minus 3 plus 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Now we have negative 3 and positive 3, so we can cancel out negative 3 and positive 3. And therefore, we have 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. And we get 4 square root of 3. And that's the answer. And we're done.